Hey guys, I'm back. Well, remember last time when we did straight leg raises? Well, today's exercise is a spin-off from that one. Side-lying hip abductions and straight leg raises may seem very similar, but they're quite different. As in the name, side-lying hip abductions are done on the side, whereas the straight leg ones are done on your back. This means they work very different muscle groups, so it's important to do both and not slack off on one or the other. As well, you should note that you should only do this once you're very comfortable with your leg strength and you know that you can do it, as pushing yourself too far is never a good thing with physiotherapy. So similar to the straight leg raises, the sideline hip abduction does give you the option to use ankle weights to kind of challenge yourself further. But if you're new to them and your hip strength isn't optimal yet, then I don't recommend it because the exercise itself is quite challenging. Okay, so I have ankle weights on at 3 pounds each. So first off, you want to focus all your weight on one of your legs and have your arms positioned to give you balance. So make sure your body's tight, shoulders are back, and slowly raise your leg. Your outer muscles here should be very tight when you're doing this. After you've reached about a foot, hold it and bring it back down. And then you do that 2 sets for each leg, and each set should have 10 raises. So what I do is I like to switch legs between sets to make sure that the routine is continuous. So how was that? If you couldn't manage to do all of it, not to worry. Eventually, as time progresses, you'll get better, and sure enough, you'll be able to do it. So this exercise in particular works the gluteus medius, which is right here, as well as it's proven to work the biomechanics of your entire leg, which is awesome for physiotherapy in general. So, if you experience any pain at all, stop. This is a fairly advanced exercise, so it could put too much strain on your leg, and that's not a good thing at all. Because pain is the first warning to stop immediately, because something is definitely wrong, and that means that you're pushing yourself too far. However, many people experience tightness, so don't confuse that with pain. Tightness is good, because if you experience tightness, that means you're doing something. So, thank you guys for watching. As always, if you have a question, leave it down below, and I'll see you guys next time.